when I cry. That's the only way the roses bloom.
It's okay, I'm not okay. I feel the disarray of yesterday. Oh my, I need to feel the raindrops on my head. Embrace what I cannot control. Oh my, trouble won't desert me till my end, till my end.
Oh my god!